Mosha kanjani bathini disemoshweni hayi phola sinegang chill sisembolweni hayi nansi iwashi yalila izolini beke emoyeni hayi kumanzi phansi idrip yalika.
Yo, what's up everybody? This your boy Lloyd Stacks aka Super Lloyd the Cost Rockstar, and welcome to another episode of Amacherry all the time. This is the very second episode of the podcast, and I would like to say thank you for taking the time and watching this shit. Thank you for taking time, and yeah, nigga, yeah, it's lit, bro.
So
Bomber clot, man.
what we talking about today, man?
How you doing, man? Speak to the mic, bro. Speak to the mic. Speak to the mic.
What's up?
Speak to the mic.
Man, Jesus.
Happy Heritage Month.
Uh-huh.
Happy, I don't know what to say, but
Is it the Heritage Month for real?
yeah, it's the Heritage Month today, bro. Actually, this month, bro, I'm celebrating our traditional. What's your tradition, man? What's your culture, man? Like,
you mean?
what are you, man?
I'm a Gyan, fam.
Yeah,
Xhosa
Gyan.
fucking Gyan, dog.
The Xhosa way,
You know what I
dog.
mean? Yeah, I'm a Xhosa rockstar.
The Xhosa way. That's how we do it, my guy. Otherwise, it's lit. It's lit. It's lit. Hmm?
Kudala kulate kasi kodwa la, hey.
Yo, dog, it's been lit the whole day, bro.
People
Guys,
been drinking and shit like that, bro.
me too. I want to drink today. Hey, people said I must hide this for me. Hey,
Why?
cause these niggas don't pay us, bro.
Hey.
Yeah, bro. Actually, even hide every shit, bro.
That's it, yeah, not bad. Yeah. Anyway, so where guys, what you want to talk about today, my dude?
Dog, ngaphethe ngifuna uthetha about le no. Amacherry these days asiphilisa kakubi singamajita anginamali. Hey,
Hey, bruh.
dog,
Bruh,
like
that's right.
on a real
Yeah.
note, dog, like
Yo,
Amacherry,
that's
dog.
fucked up,
Siphilisa kakubi mfethu la yena.
That's fucked up right there, bro.
Anginamali ke mfethu okubheja nganoni mfethu. Like khazenzele imali yakho. I don't like mfethu.
And as you know, bruh, like to be honest, it's not even like that, but cousins and like the main emphasis on the whole thing is that like Amacherry or like blaming us for like the thing is like they're making us like I don't know how to explain. It's like they're making us their dads or some shit.
Bona.
Like basically in a relationship, in order for anything to work, you have to come to compromise in everything. Compromise not only in love, yeah, but that's what they think about. Okay, you give me dick, I give you pussy. You know what I mean? Like that's it. You gotta
Yeah.
burp, you gotta
On the
burp
real
shit.
note, it's like that, dog.
But then
I
the
give you
thing is,
dick, I give you pussy,
in order
bro.
for everything to work, that's why nothing's working. In order for everything to work, you have to compromise in literally every single aspect of that shit, bro. Financially, mentally, physically, spiritually, financially. You know what I mean? I said that shit first, bro. You know what I mean? Like chicks just think like, okay, a dude is supposed to like cash and shit like that because a man is the man is the provider and shit like that. Okay, like let's take it back to the beginning of time.
Yeah.
What the fuck was man providing?
Yeah.
He wasn't providing fucking paper. He was
No.
providing fucking hands,
Yeah,
fucking
bro.
food, you know, fucking ding dong.
And the chicks
you know
would
what
be
I
at the
mean?
home, bro. Like,
Yeah.
you see, like, zendlu. But
Exactly.
now,
That was compromise at like
Amacherry
you know,
yangoku, dog, like,
yo.
khona new way apha kumispan, dog. Hey, I'm not gonna say
what am I
names.
looking for? Let me smoke that shit, bro.
Yeah?
Let me smoke that shit, bro.
I'm not gonna say names, mfethu, but lo mnana mfethu bezingenambuza, like, you know, actually mangathi hey man, like, you know what, let me just say it akazoyibukela le way.
I feel
Then
you.
then sithi ba like hey mfethu, like mhlambi makatyole nenye pha kumispan wathi khasis le kaka le nginamali indoda yam inike 150 every day le azonika yona ngenyanga. And I'm like, so when datela like imali mfethu
Like what is this like?
Ash.
Yeah.
I'm like, yo bro, if you look at my Ash, dog,
wait.
Ash yam ga grade
Fucking
primary
Spur,
school,
bro.
Spur, dog.
People don't even know these characters, bro.
doggy.
Fucking
This not even
Spurman,
a Ash,
bro.
dog. That's a fucking like money piggy bank, dog. It's a
Who's the
spurgy
guess?
bank
Who's the
now.
guess? Who's the guess? Alright, so what you saying about this bitch, bro?
So mnana benzithi hey fun so udethile imali wathi ya ngeke ingene like imali ebhangeni like every day, like, or every month, flicking in, I'm like, yeah, God, like, I think if Amacherry or like, are like that, I think now, Bazi, Prozi, style.
I wouldn't have phrased it like that. I would have said
Yeah,
like,
like, on the real note,
everything. Like,
listen,
to be honest, like,
on the real note, like, yeah, I get it, like, I need to ungumjita funeke like bone if unemali eninzi like nigga like we taking the Cherokee, you know, like you gotta buy that shit, but at the same time funeke nawe uyive phoku enhlizweni ba like no what I want to do this shit.
That's the thing.
That's the
bro.
thing.
That's the
I want to
thing,
do this
bro.
shit like
chick just demand.
Like
but like she's not even like
abanye fan bayakwazi utla mnana yakwazi nocela like imali mhlawumbe let's say athi ucela 300 from indoda yakhe, then indoda yakhe imnike 300 atshintsakale athi bayi 200 extra ke ngoku thini ngebus fare uthini phone ngicele 300
gave it to you same time
akunika 300 ngoku akakho happy ufuna 500. So I'm like, I'm not like, I don't know, like even like Facebook like kwele indoda ba indoda must have a car, dog. Indoda must have a car. Hey, banayo ke ngoku fethu kuzoyenzeka ntoni? What's gonna happen?
Do you know what, bro? Ask a bitch to say supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. She can't even do that. Ask a bitch to type a whole name in like 30 seconds. She can't do that. Ask a bitch to give you like 5 accomplishments she's had, like even in high school. You know what I mean? Like I'm not trying to diss the female generation. I'm not saying every single one of them are like that, but I'm just saying most of the girls today, bro, yo.
But
hey,
how
you want a real man when you don't even know what a real woman is?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Like
my pussy pink, my booty hole brown.
Yo.
What? You know what I mean?
Sexy red. I didn't hear that.
Alright, like, do what you wanna do, but then don't expect niggas to respect that shit. Don't expect a fucking ring. Don't expect. You know what I mean?
All I say is that like
ain't no nigga out here fucking like posting his dick on like
social media and shit
we
don't
like
know.
No,
niggas don't post dicks, nigga. Like
bro,
every day, ass quizzing.
Ass, bro. Like I'll check my timeline right now, fam. I'll see a booty, fam.
I'm telling you, dog. Like profile pics, funny like Garvey, I was going through like Facebook, because I add friends.
Like the first thing I said is do what you want, so don't like fucking cancel us or some shit. I said anyone, like you can do what you want. I'm just saying.
On a real note,
based on experience and shit.
I just want to understand, fit. Like I just want to understand. Like sometimes, fit, I can't way by but funeke ingabi ngoko like ya foster like master ngoku ba hey ndikunike imali otherwise otyelwa otherwise andophiwa mfethu balawe khona new way mfethu. Let me tell you andobiza igama layo but a lot of people know this bitch, but ke ngenye imini mfethu lo mnana lawe izayifuna uphuma neetshomi zakhe so azapha kum mfethu andicele 50 rand man Lloyd khasi 50 rand man zokubuyisela okay man ndinayo imali yomnika lo mnana lona so khuphele 50 rand ndimnike mfethu so apha evekini nqomachong you know what le mali andishaya ushaya ngaye but kenzo ke ndimteste ndimbuze ba like hey money cela khazi 50 rand yam so ndayicela mfethu 50 rand yam. You know what she said? Wathi ndikuphile mos ndikuphile fondini like ndikuphile ndiphendoni ndafa ndikunikile fondini hey Qoma yo afenini sendithenga ngendiye Central mos babe kunjani.
Yo, but like I'm telling you, you got a good bargain, bro.
Dog.
50 Shit.
Yo.
Got a good deal right there, bro. Shit.
$50, dog.
Bro, I've I had to say like yo, bro, I've spent like
you gotta want to spend Amacherry nachos. I won't lie,
spent
dog.
like yo.
But at the same,
bro, like even $100, yo, bro, I spent like I don't know.
Give me the lighter, man.
Like more than 3K, like no, not 3K, 300, yeah, bro. That's on this one days, bro, and I didn't even get to smash, bro.
That date bung
Dog.
Oh shit, she didn't say no names.
Bro.
Oh, they asked about spending 300. Dog mna like
More, dog.
dog mna like ndikhumla ngibirthday kaleno birthday kanyana wam. I took out my baby mama dog. Sayotya out. Damngalela, you don't have to pay for anything. Don't pay for nothing. I got it.
Yeah, family shit.
I think funa kubela way like ezumshita but
Yeah.
you see kanye like a
Like, yeah, sure. But chick also has to deserve it. You know
yeah,
what I
like
mean?
she has to deserve it. Come
that's
you
the
know what?
thing,
Funa
bro.
kupe cherry
Like,
dog.
all the girls like want that shit. It's like, how are you like, bro?
What are-
there's this chick, bro. You know, there was this chick I was just dealing with recently, bro. This chick wanted the world, fam. I'm like, bro, I don't even fucking know.
No,
you.
dog.
You know what I mean?
I know a chick like that.
Dog, yeah.
But game fair too, I don't wanna say like Wongamachera la way. Not all chicks are like that because I won't lie, I think Wongamachera sense of what data were not chicks that baby funimali. Like there was only one chick who wanted money from me. But now like these days like on Facebook like you just see like yeah but when I buy
To be
phone
honest,
like
as guys, like we're not really like doing much here, but like I feel like the whole generation, man, like we all just like on this like shit bar, like toxic is like good or something.
Yo,
You know what I
dog.
mean? Like I don't understand.
that's me, bro.
I
Like
don't understand, bro.
that's me. But at the same time, Fetu, I think in Fetu, like, Kukamajita, Fetu, Aunginangaki, Naliwing, your spender and doing all that shit. But yung Bekamachiri, acting about Wonge Hamajita, or like those niggas.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. But at the same time, like, I think, Landum Fetu, like, I think Fetu, yes, Basela, Nati, Ges Namajita, like, it's Funa Sense Benimal, in Fetu. Bono chambela rich niggas dog machera za kaka dog no be kaki imbi no be kaki chebile fonini bye amanga penzi
Not that there's anything wrong with that.
I feel like I won't lie to you calling you kaka fonini and bones like I was been like a 9 amanga pens fon chebile imbi lawile kaka fonini chera yo yellow bone enzi kaka ngolile
Don't do, bro.
Come on, no ways. Like I know what's happening there.
So,
But
nigga,
fuck it,
cow.
dog. Like I'm grateful for the chicks that I've dated. Like nyan fedzang under pressure. Like I'm a cheater sense of what you're all
me
about.
too, also about money.
I would like to say thank you, bitches. Like yan zang na funa mali fetu. Like I won't lie. That's all I want. Like and I had no problem with doing that shit. And but on the real note, like you know, in that out that Twitter about the way, calling you way in Facebook and I think she's from Pretoria, but right now it's Durban. If she was this shit, like let's boy a poster man, so that boy a girl is in Ozaki la way. So you calling you post in Facebook la way, it's about no dying in a motor, then got a good red flag. Yeah. Red flag, dog.
All I'm saying is I hope she got a car too.
Dog, she ain't got no car. And send him none already. But on the real note, a
Yo,
scholar.
that's that like yo.
Yeah.
Oh, and not like look. Okay, look.
Now if it man not clash a dig, like come a tight cherry num nan come.
Yeah, it's like yo. Like that.
Hey, fair
The
too.
thing is, you know, bro, because having a kid with someone means that person will always be in your life. You know what I mean?
But at the same time, Fito, like, does it be that person you want to fuck that person? You want to be with that person?
Like, I date a chick that has a kid, but only if the baby daddy's dead.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry,
Yo,
bro.
me too, bro. I'm like,
I'll tell you the truth, bro. I'll tell you the truth.
no, didn't gagale. I'm not gonna say the name, but my colleague was hot as fuck, dog. Her name is Shanae. I'm gonna say her name because it's not something bad. It's Shanae the Bay, dog. So, thick motherfucker, dog. Thick ass bitch, dog.
I like him.
Little away.
I like him thick.
Toma chonga nambawela lo mntana lona la. No, he faka yiva le ndawo sithetha because she's colored Z. So fit up a Shanae the Bay. This guy fit like it's a customer. This guy comes to me and he asks like him fit jola no balo mntana la we. Dithi ba am fit khona nyapina naye la yadla kake yes singasife inye la kaka la. Come yo niggas is savage bro. Aske yife inye for nini. But I don't want to dwell into more of that shit. I want to talk about Heritage Day, man. Like Heritage Day. I'm fucking Xhosa and I'm proud to be a Xhosa dude. What are you, bro? Tell us on the comment section what are you proud to be of? Like, are you Sotho? Are you Zulu and shit?
Are you from Kavuki land?
Yeah, you come from.
What's going on, bro?
Yeah. Otherwise, I just want to like call the question fit like a kapakile go ba. Facebook man, the question is itiba. What food traumatized you the most when you were a kid?
A lot.
Yo, like
Growing up in the castle.
yeah, it's gaga is.
A lot, bro.
Yo, I win. Fun for me. I think there's only one that I can remember. But like at first, didn't like potato salad. I didn't want the potato salad. I didn't want anything that has to do with mayonnaise. Like growing up.
Yeah.
But the most like more like I won't say this is traditional, but like and say so traumatized away. I think it's Intyabontyi. Intyabontyi.
Intyabontyi was fucking
Dog
awesome,
Intyabontyi. Fun for me like
I'm none Intyabontyi for me.
imnandi like xa iyenzwe kahle fit
A
but
lot.
dog
A lot.
like and this corner
Aliyazi Intyabontyi. Yo.
Intyabontyi.
Yo. Niggas don't know, bro.
Niggas
That's
don't know
Intyabontyi.
Intyabontyi. Fin, what's Intyabontyi in English?
It's a melon.
No way.
I promise you, bro. When you think about it, the way you know it, stuff, it's fucking funny.
No ways.
It's a melon.
No way.
Watermelon.
No.
Not a watermelon.
It's a melon.
Melon, baba.
Whoa, dog.
It's a
Yo.
melon, bro. What?
Intyabontyi is a
How?
melon, dog.
Ah, bro.
Which melon it is? Just a melon that like
Oh, it's probably a pop melon.
pop melon, bruh.
Yeah,
Like
that's
how
what
do you
it's
eat? You cook that shit only, dog.
Dude, don't you remember how it was? Baba.
Like you cook it only, dog.
Say this with you, boy.
Yo. Yo.
Jesus, you know. Yo,
Yo, the guy.
you're on some other energy, bro. You don't even know today, bro. Yo, kids actually growing up on fucking.
Oh, like
music.
umnani ngok dog.
Yeah, bro.
Umnani PlayStation is a common thing, no.
Ah, Intyabontyi. In front of the
Funny
fucking
enough.
house, dog.
Ngisazi Intyabontyi.
Hey, I'm gonna start a 15.
Yo. Makrisa dog acho bezibetha dog.
Dude, do you remember the fish cakes?
Yo.
Oh my god. Yo.
Oh. Dog,
Niggas
fish
know
cakes, dog.
Fish
Cake, dog. Every
I was like,
week,
what?
dog. And there's another
what is a
name
fish?
for fish cake, dog. This
Dog.
shit, dog. Like the last time I ate a fish cake was when umakhulu wami besasebenza, dog. And that was like
we were like fucking.
Damn
it was
it.
probably like fucking.
9, dog. That's like 8, like those years. Because why? I think in 2009, part dog. Sebenza lo manqophi, dog. Hey. So kumde shit. Yeah. Niggas don't know shit like that, bro.
Heritage Day.
Heritage Day. Okay, fit like what are your favorite meals, dog, growing up? Number 1, dombo nenyama.
Nobangephi inyama boy.
Dombo nobangephi inyama nobalusu murhudu boy.
Yo,
Oh.
choka.
Ah.
Not mhudu.
No to murhudu dog. Murhudu dog.
No disrespect to all the cultures. It's Heritage Day today.
Phokoqo.
Woo.
Still.
I had that shit for 2 nights, bro.
Dog, benimtyizolo dog. Dog.
What?
I hate umphokoqo zolo.
What?
Dog, mngoboqo fonini. If you're not Xhosa, umazi umphokoqo nobuthi African salad kanye mbiza whatever.
They even eat it at work. I've eaten it at
Umfino dog, umqhubelana umfino. Umfino. Dog. Damn, I wish umakhulu wami besafunction grand la way, but now she's fucking old and she's sick, dog. And nasazitya as way,
like that, bro.
like she's old, dog. Like, okay, let me tell you about my granny. My granny has one leg, bro. So she's not functioning fully. But yo, dog, that was a fucking strong lady, dog. I love her to death, bro.
She's still a strong lady.
She's still a strong lady, dog. She's hustling, dog. Fucking love my granny.
Buy an apple crumble pie.
Dog, you gotta do something for her, and dog. But on a real note, Fetu, I'm not Xhosa. I'm taking it with you.
I think it's just kumnandi uba itaki man.
Even the films be Xhosa mfethu eyiva fun by mnandi lewe. Hey, even the actors abe Xhosa zingcolile ku films abe Xhosa fun nqoma jonga acho. Xhosa esimnandi, dog. I won't lie, dog. I'm proud of my fucking tribe, dog. Mnandi nyanu is Xhosa mfethu la. Because everywhere these days, it's like on TV, it's like Sesotho nesolo. Young into like Sesotho nesolo. Since I fucking love Solo, I won't lie, dog. But so siqhela poison. So siqhela. Ele gaga le.
Why the fuck would you give me that shit?
Yeah. Anyway.
Yeah, bro.
Anyway.
Yeah.
Fed, how do you tell like film like how was it to you, Lawe? Have you watched like otherwise Xhosanostra just dropped the short clip, dog? The black bag. Everybody go check it out. It's fucking lit, bro. It's fucking lit, bro. Like as one of dogs who try laugh. I fucking love Xhosanostra to death, bro. Like if you're watching this shit, Machita, carry on doing that shit, bro. Otherwise, the black bag, dog. Yo, that's the one, man. I like that's the one, and I am. That's the one. They bunga funny. They talk like yo.
Scary.
That na para la mañana. That's the one. Para la mañana, dog.
Wow. Oh man. I just say he's a good actor, bro.
What if like para la mañana, fam? That's the one.
He's very good at that role.
I don't. I see kind of like it. Feel like I won't lie, dog. It's Xhosa, sase Kapa, ne sase PE. Even though like I won't like I'm fun to say fun about it at the same time here. The vibes, like the vibes, dog. Like Tabang Yasikas. Like Amakas was like I don't know, dog. I don't know, like when I know, but uchuna nanti kwa Xhosa sase pai, sase Kapa asfani. Nyani fit banezinto ezininzi abazithethayo ningazaziyo, but at the same time xa unodibana nomntu wasekapa nencokole, dog, like wasekasi, you would fucking feel the vibe, dog. Like no mnani uzoyiva ba hayi poni yasekasi lena fonini, yabo nobumenemene obuthile and shit, but it's fun, young ton. Otherwise shout out to the Xhosa tribe, dog. Shout out to any tribe, dog. Heritage Month, dog. It's time to fit in yan. As all I come on bestate about like the like it bestate about like 2 angoku like ngqondo zethu the function at like 10%, dog.
Like 15.
Like 15%, dog. Like why? The question is why, dog.
No, man, like it's not even like it's like why would there be 100% of a brain? You can only use 15%. If any reason, if that was true, mfethu, it means ba yenziwe la ba being like 15%. Ayikho lano.
Fethu, like I won't lie, dog.
Like 100% of your brain. Okay, you have 100% of a heart. 100% of a heart works. Why? Because it needs to. You know what I mean?
But some
you have 100% of a liver. It works because why? It needs to. You have 100% of a brain, but 15%.
Then it's working, dog, and it's good for you, dog. Like, and it's normal, dog.
If that is if that's true, last statement about 15% works. It's because I'm sure it's because they controlled it somehow to be like that.
But it's in the water, dog.
What you mean?
Everything the water's fucked up, dog.
Like they say, Musi, that we have like a secret organ they don't tell us about, the pineal gland. I don't know if you know this shit.
The third eye, bro. Third eye.
You know this shit, bro. Anyway,
the
so like
third eye.
This shit. Like
the third eye, bro.
More on a pineal gland right here. So the water we drink has what's it for? Chlorophyll, right?
Yeah.
Chlorophyll decalcifies.
It fucks it up,
like,
bro.
The third eye. So like, do you know that thing where you're walking and you feel like people are looking like at you
every fucking day, dog?
That's
like,
the pineal gland, your third eye that sees everything, your God particle. You know
damn,
what I mean?
bro.
They've weakened it, Tiabo, so all you feel is goosebumps and shit like that.
And
you know what I mean?
I won't lie, dog. I feel like that, and sometimes, but
dog.
Even though I'm but like
even your consciousness and your all that shit, it's your pain, bro.
Even some if it like
when you travel through dreams and shit like that,
dog, my dreams are fucked up, dog. Like I won't lie, dog. I've been dreaming some crazy ass shit this past days, dog. Like this papas, I know yikisa, but at the same time, like I'm so used to bad dreams, I'm addicted to them, dog. I just want to be in them. I just want to find out what's gonna happen, dog. Like this shit is happening for real. Like this shit is happening for like nyani.
Like a lucid
dog. Like I've been having some bad. I don't know what. I hope I answer twice, dog. Just as I'm gonna twice, dog. No fucking ways. Kona you mean I'm under fantasy. Siaping a garage. If you go also has a garage, it's a fucking tavern, it's a bila. So you no, it's very real. I'm talking to you. But like I'm just saying, like unfun by sangoma on funu twasa just because of this shit. So ngala mean safika nyanga a garage phandle fenin khona inyuwe efonini phansi betheza ukeza khona phone but like betheza wena yathokoza bawo nenoni phone hleli phansi chomo zayisemva phone zazama enqane zikwazi poison ya funyeni zaweza like she's in the shit, dog. Like yo amanu ti masihlale sidada hayi sick phone phamene walifle iphumile kum phamene I'll never ngafuna ukuthi masibukela hafu thini ngancane chomi zakhe phone loba zi5 choma zimile qhala mina uhleli phansi phone batheza weza khona like the sangoma shit, dog. Yo man hi but ke fethi khona nyiwe like phofumanga we hey ndithi we zama phami khona chomi yami sesigela we sesibani yabo, like her man yethwasa nenonon. So before like I am driving like yayixelele oyakhe ba man just do like la way yakhona like anangathi ufuna ukuphahle nenonon, otherwise xa upha driving you will hear everything. Like the spirits will talk to you a lot. West time like like spirits they say like so they will talk to you and it's like distract her from what you fucking doing. You know? But I fucking forgot what I was gonna say. Fucking what forgot. So what you want to talk about, bro? Like
some people pineal glands on a honey, bro.
When do you believe fit like in these like one like ancestral shit like the Sangoma shit, bro?
If it's when I believe, yo, I believe like my yo, if it's yo, the way I think is like fucking 3D or some shit. You know what I mean? Like I believe in like mad shit, my dog. Like I believe like yo, I don't know how to explain it, fam. Man, but I believe we're all God and shit like that. At the same time, just like experiencing life at different moments and different fucking circumstances and different fucking, you know what I mean, views and different, you know what I mean.
I won't lie, dog, nah. Fitu, there's a lot of things that's happening like apelizweni. Unfully believer because I think actually nothing's gonna happen to me, like even if I believe it. But there's a lot of things like I don't want to believe in the Bible. I don't know why, but I feel like I don't want to believe in the Bible. But at the same time, like in Funuyas, it always points me to the Bible. Everyone, solo it always like goes back. It always like goes back. They always say the shit. Even like the Rastafarian people, like but Rastafarians, they started because like in the Bible there's a quote that says like Jesus is gonna be reincarnated, and then when Jesus comes back, so like Muzovela, like there's story. There's a European country that's gonna wanna take over a country in East Africa, but aizo succeed, yeah. And then what happened? There's a fucking Italy wanted to invade Ethiopia, and they didn't succeed.
Oh wow.
And like the emperor, the king at the time was Haile Selassie.
The first.
Yeah, but Haile Selassie the first. And then there was this like activist Marcus Garvey. Marcus Garvey is a Jamaican. He was a fucking activist like for the Negroes, and shit. So Marcus Garvey was like, you know what? Like there's a scripture in the Bible that says there's a country in East Africa as of Funutatwa over, but a European country, but it's not gonna succeed. And then
Ethiopia.
That's when that happened, dog. Ethiopia, like they fought against the Italians with bees, dog. Like it's Luanyan, dog. Lions and shit, dog. Dog, like imagine that shit. Like people don't know that shit. Like, like they don't.
Can I tell you?
They don't know. Like we used to be with the wild. Like we are in one ecosystem with the wild, but now we're different. Tell me that something, bro.
Do you know one time Marcus Garvey
Speak up, man.
collaborated with the Triple K, the KKK,
Didn't know, man.
the Ku Klux Klan, to find a way to get all black people back to Africa and out of America?
No, I don't know that shit, bro.
Yeah. You never expect that. The Ku Klux Klan hated black people, but to be honest, all they wanted was to get them the fuck out of America. You know what I mean?
They did it.
Redneck bitch ass niggas. You know
But
what I
at the same time, it's white people who took.
And Marcus Garvey is considered, but you know what? That's exactly what we want, to go back home. So let's work together and make this shit happen.
That's the smartest shit ever, dog.
It never happened. They say
Because
Marcus Garvey is a fucking terrorist, blah blah blah, and enslaved black people once again.
yeah, bro.
You know what I mean?
But getting fit to like that's
Marcus Garvey,
dog. I won't lie to it, like that's how the Rastafarian like tribe started. And you do know like La Rastafari like Suga up in there.
Yeah, it was a name, dog.
What's the name? Who Raz?
Fari.
Whose name is that?
Haile
Haile Selassie. Like Gamalaga Haile Selassie, his Raz, and his second name is Tafari, and then his surname is Makonnen. So the Rastafarian tribe took that name from a lot of people don't know this shit, like Rastafari and ligama la Haile Selassie, the real name Haile Selassie. But no, like if you don't know like Haile Selassie, but no chambela maras te better to sila Haile Selassie. Yo hi. Jonga ona maras te bangichazayo nguRas Makhado noPhanjile. Yo Ras Makhado noPhanjile. Hi. That's one of them niggas you should fucking watch out for, dog. Ras Makhado. Phanjile. Chaza lekaga fonini iki nicknacks yeyibuzo Phanjile ba Ras tenu iki nicknacks kodwa le Rasta itla kake ba hakalok ayaman Ras leno lamntu pha ku nicknacks his igama lakhe nguRas Nikelo. Ras Nikelo fonini. Uras nicknacks from this way bizon nicknacks. Urik no Ras no.
Okay.
Unikelo fonin.
Nikolo next.
Itla kaga fonin ba half and kaloku Ras fonin is the first Ras ba makayenze chips out of umbona. Yo. Ras Nikelo. Dog, I won't lie. Nicknacks. The price of knickknacks has been loyal for fucking over 10 years, dog.
But like
kala kaka by rand, dog.
No, knicknacks man.
Dog, fun okay you rand knickknacks funin.
Knickknacks dog.
Can't lie about that shit. Knickknacks here rand. Malin, yo. What the fuck? I call
joking, but like knickknacks are like fucking R1.50, R2, shit like that. Well, knickknacks have
for real
changed, my dude.
Knickknacks has been the same.
But you can even see it.
Yeah, Ras Nikelo.
Yes.
Whether I know, man, it's so no Ras funin. I think it changed you. The pack is like dark, like orange, like you get about like yellow, that yellow. Ras, bami se puras la. Bami se puras. Come on. Yeah. Otherwise, now rugby dog. Yeah, it's fucking rugby dog. It's the World Cup dog.
Oh shit, yeah.
Fucking rugby World Cup. Lose New Zealand dog. On Friday,
they're
France.
playing most like now 6 something. Yeah.
Now it's like in South Africa and Scotland dog. Fuck. I wanna watch that game, bro. Like yes, sus. But fucking love my kid, dog.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, dog. Otherwise, what you anything you wanna add to, man?
No, bro. I'm just fucking, like tired, bro.
Just tired, dog. Yo, it's been
I'm
a
tired
fucking.
of I'm tired of a lot of shit. Have you heard, bro? Like, there's a new COVID vaccine.
Whoa.
Right? Because
Why is the COVID? Why take the COVID vaccine, man? Never
put that shit.
Never put that shit. God, if man code it.
Anyway, so like, there's new COVID and shit. Hello? It's called COVID-23 or some shit.
Whoa.
Right? It's a variant, okay, COVID-23. So everybody who took the vaccines previously
must take again.
No. Is more like in more vulnerable to the new COVID. You are able to vaccine.
It's more vulnerable.
COVID like what stupid
cartoon
shit is
like,
this?
What's
dog?
happening, dog?
Like this some cartoon shit.
What's
bro.
happening, dog? What is it?
Yeah.
Dog, like COVID was the worst shit ever, dog. Like it fucking ruined a whole lot of lives, and it fucking ended a whole lot of lives, and it's something we don't fucking need, bro. We don't fucking need. But yeah, fuck it with the diseases, bro. Let's talk about rugby.
Like no, bro. Like real shit, bro. Like even that's like all these things that are happening are like distracting people from like what's happening in the world and shit like that. Like we want to like, dog. Hey.
Yeah. Let's talk about next year elections, dog.
What?
Elections.
Wait, here in
20
South Africa.
Yeah, bro. Uzovotela bani namfethu like
Julius Malema.
Julius Malema.
Oh shit! Why did I say that?
I'm fettu like me too, dog. Nah, like I won't lie, dog. Like ever, like fettu now I was 18 in 2018. And I think big voter ne in 2018. I've never voted before. That's all I can say. I have zangna voted before because I didn't like fettu. I didn't think about like. No man, no like voting. I don't think there's a reason for me to vote. Then like being a like a party, be like being names about okay, like you know what, to vote but I won't lie. I've been looking at the videos like Amalema lately, and that nigga's been speaking, bro.
Oh, he fell up the dome.
Dog, even that shit, I don't fucking mind that shit, but that nigga, like, if you fucking watch his interviews, dog, that nigga speaks, dog. Like, let me tell you, like, yeah, he's speaking English, but he's speaking basic English. Like, now I understand it, dog. There's no fucking big words. Yeah, teta, she's straight, and Lena teta, yeah, vakala, fit, yeah. Mara maposa xa ithetha English is complicated awuyana lekaka liyithethayo lawe, you just get lost. Thetha ngezinto zozenza but shit that ingabonakaliyo. But I won't lie, like there's been videos like Amalema on TikTok, Spain, videos like Amalema Park Facebook, London, fit abuza question to journalist, and the answers, dog, yo, like that nigga, like Zanda, like I'm not into politics, dog, but like I hate the
Like,
fact.
to be honest,
I hate the fact people are scared of that nigga. Even though like he wants to be scared, but I think we need a strict fucking president.
you know what I mean.
A strict president, like Malema funny, like he leads, dog. He's a fucking leader. I know I might be cancelled about this shit, but fuck it, they don't know me. But like, let me tell like you need to start in a substance in Yavakala. You know?
It's pro fucking African.
Dog. That's the new Steve Biko, dog. That's the new Steve Biko. Otherwise, shout out to Steve Biko. But
Heritage March and shit.
that's one of the reasons why Steve Biko was killed, because he spoke his mind.
Championship.
Oh, that shit. Let's go to battalion, man. Yeah, funny, you know what to do.
Where?
So vote you know the next year.
I told you, bro.
EFF all the way. F, bro.
Yeah, I mean.
EADT, Amacherry all the time. Amacherry all the way. Otherwise, let me tell you how I came up with Amacherry. So you niggas can know. So like the name Amacherry comes from my lecturer. If you want that merch, if you want like the funny, there's someone in Germany who has this shit and that. Okay, I don't want to talk about. Must I talk about Tiffany, Germany, dog? Okay. Yeah. Funny, on the last episode, she said you were crusty, bro. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. Sorry, my guy. But but this time, this nigga ain't crusty. This nigga was shy here, Amacherry. So, Amacherry was like, you see, like lecturer, I say college. I remember in 2019, I was in college. Mr. Nchinga, enormous Mr. Nchinga. Yeah, bro. Like the boss. Mr. Nchinga, the boss. So every time, like, in class, he used to say, like, yeah, Amacherry. All the time, like, Amacherry. And then like at first I was so fucking irritated about that shit. And then like, but one like, yeah, why fuck a man everywhere? So this other time in was like, so like, what does POE means? I was like, portfolio of Amacherry. You like again, man, Lloyd, no. Then after the day, I started saying Amacherry. Like I'm like Amacherry all the time. And now the fit like Zakopa fit like Amacherry, Crane, boom. Fast forward 1 year later, and the spanner going in down, and there was this man that is in there. You know, Mr. Way I was working. Yeah, call money upon the bill. Brad Dooms. Shout out to Brad Dooms. Brad, and the is fun out about Pura Lordway and Kalimama. Brad Dooms, young taller. Yeah, boy, and then this time, this guy like solo compared to like. Crane. This Haman Crane all the time, Lord, all the time. Wong is like this vibrant guy, dog, like he's fresh, dog, like boy, everybody loves that guy at work, dog. Boy, is that those popular guys that everybody like Brad Dooms. These are not Dooms, fun Doom, like his surname is Doom. Yeah, I'm also busy Brad Dooms, but his name is Lordway and shit. The littlest nigga ever, dog. You know, man. Shout out to Brad Dooms, love you, bro. Yeah, but so it was like all the time. Oh, come a fuck, I love this lingo, bro. Like, and then at the same time, when I have my own shit, Amacherry, so I was like, you know what, Amacherry all the time. So I mixed the shit together, and it was Amacherry all the time. So the next merch you're gonna see Amacherry all the time. First it was Amacherry Studios because they've been started studio, but now it's Amacherry all the time. And if you want that merch, hit me up on my Facebook, shine with DM. Otherwise, come on Facebook is Lloyd Stacks TXR. And you, man, what's your name?
Yeah, man, this is Mbizi, man. Jeez.
Masa Manges, dog. Surname Spasm Manges. Otherwise, thank you for watching this episode. We'll see you fucking next time. Okay, before we close off, on the 30th of September, I'll be performing at Tipati Pizza. Yeah, bro. It's BYOB spring birthday party. Party Pizza plus Tikuma. I'm dropping. It's on the 30th of September.
Yes.
I'm dropping a mixtape on the 29th of September. So if you're watching this shit, better go check it out. You see? Otherwise, you can get me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. My name is Lloyd Stacks. Lloyd Stacks. LLOYDSTAAXX. You see? Fuck it, I'm fucking drunk. But you know what? You can even please follow the episode of the podcast on EADT. Amacherry all the time on YouTube. Fuck, this is on YouTube. On TikTok and Facebook. We laugh, nigga. Thank you for watching. If you watch this shit. But all I can say that I fucking love you all. Sometimes, fair to tell you the truth, things start small and then they go big. Things now might be fucking blurry, but eventually they will be fucking clear. This is only the second episode. Now I just want to say that I fucking love you. See you next time. Peace.
Mosha kanjani bathini disemochweni hayi phola sinegenge chill sisembolweni hayi nansi iwashi yalila izolini beke emoyeni hayi kumanzi phansi idrip yalika okhani mopheni hayi mosha kanjani bathini disemochweni